Hey guys, back with another video for my addicted blogging channel, and in this video I will be discussing about a special feature that comes in the Amazfit Gts 4 smartwatch, and this special feature is a really good feature. This feature will help you to have a really good life, and it will also keep you from unnecessary distractions so that you can do things in a more productive and efficient way. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to say, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So the feature which I will be discussing is a feature related to sleep in this watch, and this feature can be directly accessible from the notification tray itself, and the feature is none other than the sleep mode, which is available in this watch. So what this sleep mode does is, once you activate it, you can see there will be an icon which will denote that this sleep mode has been activated, and this sleep mode will stop unnecessary notifications in the watch and absolutely will stop the vibration of the watch. And this feature also enables the user to get a different screen which will only show you some limited option or information in the watch. So once you activate this sleep mode, you can see this is the screen you will be seeing, and in here it will give you the time and date and a day, and obviously it will show the sleep mode with the alarm section. So alarms are the most important things which we need while we will be going to sleep, and this alarm we can set from the sleep mode itself. We don't need to go anywhere else. So to set the alarm, what we need to do is click in this option, which is the no alarm option, and once we click on there, we will get the option to set an alarm. And setting the alarm is super easy also. There is a wake up alarm, and you can schedule other alarms also. So you can predefine a time when you will be waking up every single day, and this time will be fixed every day when the alarm will be activated. Other than that, you can also enable these alarms, which are additional alarms, and while the alarm will be active, your watch will vibrate even in the sleep mode. Also what it will do is, it will disable any always on display, and also it will keep the brightness to minimum so that you can have a really good sleep. And also the wake up display will be disabled, and definitely the watch screen will be turned off so that it can save your eyes from any blue light from the watch. And also, even if you are getting any notification, the watch will not be displaying the notifications. Obviously you can access them at a later time. So definitely this is a really good feature, and watches like Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 should be having this type of features, because these definitely help us to get a really good sleep in this age of so many devices we have. Definitely this will help us to sleep in time and get up early, and it will also help us to get a proper sleep cycle every single day. Also what I want is to enable a mode in which the watch will be definitely locked, where we will not be able to access anything in the watch other than some limited options like the date and the time, because in here if we disable this sleep mode, again we can access every little information and use the watch. So definitely this is what I wanted to discuss with you. And also if we go to the sleep data, the sleep data is really designed well in this watch. So you can see the amount of sleep I will be getting every day. It will definitely show in this graphical way, and also it will show the sleep score, and definitely it will give you the time from when to when you have slept. Other than that, it will also give you the awake time, the time when you have the light sleep, deep sleep, and definitely you will be getting the REM, which is the rapid eye movement, and it determines whether you are getting a really good sleep or not. So if you are in the early stages of light sleep, you will be getting a higher REM, which is really not good. The more deep sleep you get, the better it is. So the sleep data tracking is really good, and definitely this will help to get you a really good sleep every single day, because it will disable all the functions of the watch and only enable you the limited information which is required while you will be getting to sleep. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you this, and definitely this is a really good feature you are getting with the Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.